Kumita kahit natutulog. This is day 5 of Project Dream Life and my goal is to earn 6,183 pesos per day para sa Dream Life ko. And today, sasabihin ko sa inyo, possible nga ba kumita kahit natutulog? Yes, possible ito. May 4 na income stream. One is income based on your time. Ito yung source of income na nakabase ang bayad kung ilang oras ka magtatrabaho. Pangalawa naman, income based on providing products and services. Basically, mag-o-offer ka ng products and services na alam mo need ng market. Dito, malaki din ang kita. The more na malaking problema yung masolve mo, mas malaki ang kikitain mo. Mas malaking problema, mas malaking opportunity. Kung ma-fill mo yung gap na yun, tiba-tiba ka. Pangatlong income stream, ang investing income. Dito, hindi na ikaw yung nag-work para sa pera, kundi yung pera na ang nag-work para sa'yo. I will give you example ng mga investing income. Ito yung investing on stock market. Dito, trading, real estate, index funds, or mutual funds. Yun yung bibili ka ng stocks na you believe it will be on a higher value as years goes by. Technically, you see potential on that company to grow, kaya ininvest mo yung pera mo doon. Then depending sa galaw ng market, yun yung magdidictate kung tataas o bababa yung value ng stocks na binili mo. And hopefully, as time goes by, magkakaroon ng compound interest yung pera mo kapag tumaas na yung value ng binili mong stocks or property. Kaya basically, kumikita ka kahit tulog ka. Pero again, do your own research if gusto mong pumasok sa ganitong income stream. But if you want to take risk, just make sure alam mo yung pinapasok mo, it's your hard-earned money, kaya dapat protektahan mo. Dapat alam mo kung saan mo nilalagay ang pera mo. And last but not the least, ang passive income like content creation, online course, affiliate marketing, rental income, royalties, books, and music. Diyan papasok yung one-time setup, tapos many times pwedeng mag-generate ng income para sa'yo with minimal effort and participation. Like kapag gumagawa ka ng video or content, one time mo lang siyang gagawin, pero pwede siyang mag-generate ng income kahit 10 years from now. As long as existing yung platform, ganun din sa different e-commerce platform and online course. One setup, then tuloy-tuloy na yung income mo, basta ma-setup mo siya ng maayos. If umabot ka sa part ng video na to, just comment access and I will send you my first ebook, Producer Market, for free. Just type access and always remember, believe in yourself, stay consistent, and stay locked in. Kita-kits tayo sa day 6.